Good day, Motojie family. Thank you for visiting my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and hit the like button to stay updated with my new videos. I would like to share with you the magnificent view of a waterfall cascading down the mountainside, accompanied by the sound of rushing water and birds in the background. There is a certain magic in the way nature paints her masterpieces. None are more enchanting than the waterfalls adorning the Rocky Mountains of Amidst, Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte, the symphony of water crashing down from above, the cool mist that invigorates the spirit, and the lush greenery embracing the falls. Each element weaves a tale of serenity and wonder. Every drop of water seems to greet us, introducing a world far removed from the noise of modern life. Amidst this natural beauty, there are moments that shape our hearts forever. Cousins, bonded by blood and friendship, come together to create memories that will last a lifetime. The laughter, the playful banter, the shared adventures on trails and rivers, these moments forge an unbreakable bond. Strengthened by the beauty of the world around us, each moment becomes more vibrant with every story and memory we revisit. And as we look back on these precious times, let us not forget the charms that Amidst has to offer. In the town of Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte, lies Amidst, a place brimming with stunning scenery and abundant nature. Here, the art of winemaking thrives, producing some of the finest wines that capture the essence of the land. The dedicated winemakers combine their knowledge, passion, and tradition to create wines that are not only praised for their taste, but also tell stories of history and love for the land. Each sip tells a tale of blend of tradition, passion, and the rich flavors of the region. The wines of Amidst are more than just beverages. They are a celebration of beauty and abundance, bringing life to every occasion and deepening every conversation. In the embrace of nature, amidst waterfalls and vineyards, we find not just beauty, but a sense of belonging. These moments, shared with loved ones, remind us of the simple joys and profound connections that enrich our lives. With every raindrop that falls, with every star that twinkles, we are invited to marvel at the wonders of the world and cherish the memories and people who bring joy and beauty into our lives. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the breathtaking landscapes of Amidst, Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the beauty around us. See you in the next video, Motojie family.